Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2011 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, FWD, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.